Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about creating this 3D icon flip animation that happens in 4 slices. When a content card is in the view, first, the top left slice takes its place with a great 3D flip animation, and other slices follow it to form the whole icon. And when the icon is completed, its opacity is reduced to ensure the text has enough contrast, which appears afterwards. And that way, we reveal the card content in an interesting and appealing way. You can find a remix link for the file in the description below. So let's get started. Let's check the card component first. Since we are revealing its content step by step with some nice animations, its first variant doesn't have anything visible. Its second variant has icon's first slice visible because we see the second variant of the icon wrapper component. And after some delay, as you see it's 2 seconds, we switch to our card's third variant, which has the icon with lower opacity and our text visible. Let's also check the icon wrapper component. You can see here there are variants for each slice's animation, and also in the first variant of this component, none of the slices are visible. When we switch to the second variant, after 0.3 second of delay, rest of the variants creates the following animations to form the icon with some 3D rotations. And since in the upper card component we have 2 seconds of delay before switching to its last variant, that gives transition enough time to complete the animation. When we go back to homepage, we can see we use the flexible layering view trigger for this scroll variant effect. That way, whenever a card is in the view, we switch to its second variant, which starts the slices animation. And thanks to the variable we set for our card component, we can easily change icon and text content. Let's preview our animation once more. With all those settings, transforms, and Framer's awesome animation capabilities, we present our content in a great way that makes the experience more pleasant. And that concludes our tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.